Hello guys, it's Mark Newton from the School of Photography, and I'm going to bring you a different type of video to usual. Now, I am currently on holiday. I'm in Loch Lomond and the Trossachs up in Scotland. Today it is absolutely peeing down with rain, so I thought I'd make this intro for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you a video of all the long exposure photography that I've been doing whilst I'm up here. And I'm going to include the settings and everything that I did to create the shots so that you can learn from them as well. I'm also going to add some of the video work I've been doing up here. Now, you know, I am no Peter McKinnock, right? But I've been doing some really good video work, well, I think it's good anyway, and I'm going to mix that in with the photography. I'm also going to overlay it with some really cool music provided by epidemicsound.com. If you want really good music for your own YouTube videos or your own projects, check them out. There is a link in the description of this video. They have got some really cool music, trust me, it's brilliant. So if you're looking for decent music, go and check them out. Also, if you want to take photographs like you're about to see in this video and learn all about these long exposure techniques, there's a link in the description of this video. That's going to take you to a page, and on that page is going to teach you all about long exposure photography and the techniques and what you need to do. So I hope you do enjoy this video. Like I said, it's not a usual thing that I do or we do at the School of Photography. So if you do like it, then tell us in the comments. We really would appreciate your thoughts on this video. So let us know in the comments. So enjoy the photography, enjoy the video, and subscribe if you haven't done already. I'll see you in the next video.
The artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. My self-restraint, I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry, and there it is, my love, 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 mind and body just can't agree on what I should do when I don't feel free. You're not holding me back, I know. We're young and we never take things slow. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry. And there it is, my love. done, then you add more pain. I calm down and I watch it dry, and there it is, mine. I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. Stay with me and I have no doubt you'll make a painting that makes you proud.